Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious garlic tzatziki sauce. First, grate one large cucumber. Then, place the grated cucumber in a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth and sprinkle with a pinch of salt. Let it sit for about 10 minutes, then squeeze out as much liquid as possible. This step is crucial for a thick, creamy tzatziki, preventing it from becoming watery. It ensures a perfect texture every time. Next, let's prepare the flavorful base. Mince 3 to 4 cloves of fresh garlic very finely. In a medium bowl, combine the minced garlic with 2 cups of thick, plain Greek yogurt. Stir in 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil. This combination forms the creamy foundation of our tzatziki, ensuring a rich and authentic taste that everyone will love. Now, it's time to add those bright, fresh flavors. Stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Then, add 1/4 cup of finely chopped fresh dill. Dill is essential for that classic tzatziki taste. Finally, season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Taste and adjust as needed to achieve your perfect balance of flavors. Almost ready to enjoy? Cover your tzatziki and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time is important as it allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together and deepen, creating a more harmonious and delicious sauce. Serve your homemade garlic tzatziki with warm pita bread, grilled chicken, fresh vegetables, or as a delightful dip. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.